Looking to streamline your global talent sourcing? In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Oyster to hire and manage talent across the globe. Whether you're a startup or an established company, Oyster helps you effortlessly onboard international employees, manage payroll, benefits, compliance, and more, all from a single platform. Stick around because I'll show you how this powerful software can save you time and money and give you an exclusive extended free trial. Let's get started. First off, let's break down the key features that make Oyster stand out in global talent sourcing. The software is built to simplify the entire hiring process. It enables you to hire employees in over 180 countries without needing to set up legal entities in each country. This is huge for businesses looking to expand internationally. With Oyster, you don't need to worry about the complexities of local tax laws, labor regulations, or payroll processing in each location. It's all handled for you. When you sign up for Oyster, you can start by creating a team and choosing the countries you want to hire in. The platform gives you access to a diverse pool of talent, and it's fully compliant with local laws, so you can confidently hire people anywhere without worrying about the paperwork. You can post job openings, review resumes, and directly contact candidates. But here's the kicker. Oyster doesn't just help you find talent, it also handles the nitty-gritty details like contracts, benefits, and taxes, making the process seamless. One of the key tools in Oyster's suite is the Employee Management Dashboard. This is where you can track the entire life cycle of your employees, from hiring to onboarding to performance reviews. Everything is centralized, making it easy for you to manage teams across multiple time zones and regions. The best part? It integrates with many of the tools you're already using, like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zoom, so you can maintain productivity without changing how you operate. Another standout feature is Oyster's payroll system. Managing payroll for international employees can be a headache, but with Oyster, it's a breeze. The software ensures your employees are paid on time, in their local currency, and in compliance with local tax regulations. You can also offer customized benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off, all tailored to the country your employee is based in. Now, let's talk about the ease of using Oyster. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. Whether you're hiring one person or building a global team, Oyster makes it easy to scale your talent pool without getting bogged down in administrative work. But here's why you'll want to stick around until the end. I've got an exclusive offer for you. By using the first link in the description, you can access Oyster completely free and even unlock an extended free trial. This is your chance to test out the full range of features, including global talent sourcing, payroll management, and employee benefits, all without paying a dime upfront. In summary, Oyster is the ultimate tool for global talent sourcing. It simplifies the hiring process, ensures compliance, and saves you time on administrative tasks so you can focus on growing your business. Don't miss out on the exclusive offer for a free trial. Check the link below and get started today. Remember, Oyster can help you scale your team effortlessly and efficiently. Don't wait to take advantage